I'm going to show you how I create this party-ready look ready for the festive season. Starting the look by prepping my skin with vitamin Enriched eye and face base to make sure my makeup goes on smoothly and stays on all day. Taking intensive serum foundation as my base, applying with my fingers and blending it out with my foundation brush for a dewy look. This foundation is perfect for the festive season as it has a 12-hour wear. Taking instant full cover concealer under my eyes and on any blemishes, waiting 2 minutes for it to semi-set, then blending it all out with my new all-time favorite brush, the dual-ended full coverage eye brush. This brush has a thin and thicker side to seamlessly blend out any cream products. For warmth and structure, I'm sweeping bronzing powder on my forehead, cheeks, and jawline, and also taking it on my neck to make sure my whole body connects. Of course, we need a little glow, so I'm sweeping the Luxe Duo Highlighter in pink all over my cheeks. For my eyes, I'm picking up the stunning Luxe Precious Metals palette and starting with the color Skyline all over my lids and buffing it out. Then taking Antique Bronze for more warmth in my crease and bottom lash line. If this palette doesn't scream Christmas and New Year, I am not sure what does. For an inner corner pop, I'm using Glistening City, then using Cinnamon Longwear Cream Shadow Stick to create a soft wing liner. I love using the shadow sticks for liner as they are long wearing and waterproof. Finishing off the eyes with lashings of course, Smokey Eye Mascara, then using my fingertips to push my lashes up before they set for an extra lift. For my lips, shock horror, I'm using Cocoa Lip Liner and pairing it with Love Letter from the Mini Crush Lip Gloss set. This mini gloss set has every color for any occasion. Make sure you book in your party-ready lesson on bobbybrown.co.uk. Thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful day and festive season.